Imagine it's late, you're hungry, and all you have is your EBT card. Can you swing by Denny's for a grand slam? The answer just might be yes, but it depends on who you are and where you are. Let's break it down. I'm Nicole from Low Income Relief, and I'm here to help you make the most of your EBT benefits. Today, we're going to talk about the Restaurant Meals Program. This is a little known loophole in the food stamps law that lets certain people in certain states buy restaurant meals with their SNAP food benefits. It's really helpful for folks who might not have a way to cook at home, like if you're elderly, disabled, or you don't have a permanent place to stay. But here's the catch. This program isn't available everywhere. Each state can decide whether or not to participate in the RMP, so it's only in certain states. Even when a state decides to start an RMP program, it's often limited to certain counties or cities. Even in those cities and counties, not every restaurant automatically joins the program. Restaurants have to choose to participate, and even if they do, not everything on their menu might be EBT eligible, and not every restaurant in the chain will be EBT eligible either, because it has to be approved by address. Now, I know that's a lot of loopholes and a lot of red tape, and it's really complicated, but we're going to break it down and make it easy. So first, you need to understand that Denny's does not have a nationwide policy accepting EBT. Only certain Denny's locations can take your EBT benefits, and only if you live in a state with a restaurant meals program and you meet the eligibility requirements for that program and you take your EBT card to the right location. So in order to be eligible to buy food at Denny's with your EBT card, you must be either homeless or disabled or over the age of 60 and unable to make meals at home. You also need to live in a state that has activated their restaurant meals program. In 2025, the program is available in a handful of states, including Arizona, California, Illinois, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, New York, Rhode Island, and Virginia. The good news is that we've seen a lot of states joining this program in recent years, so there's a chance that your state will join up soon, even if it's not currently on the list. Now, if you do live in a participating state, you still have to figure out which Denny's restaurants in your area are authorized to process EBT transactions. They have to authorize each location individually. In 2025, there are 77 Denny's restaurants that can take EBT benefits from those who are authorized for the Restaurant Meals Program. These include 21 locations in Arizona, including restaurants in Flagstaff, Globe, Eloy, Casa Grande, Cottonwood, Fountain Hills, Kingman, Page, Payson, Phoenix, Prescott, Show Low, Thatcher, Tuba City, Tucson, and Winslow. There are also 56 locations in California that can take your EBT benefits, including restaurants in Bakersfield, Chula Vista, Claremont, Clovis, Corona, Culver City, Del Mar, Delano, El Cajon, Fallbrook, Fontana, Fresno, Gardena, Glendale, Glendora, Hesperia, La Mesa, Lakeside, Lancaster, Long Beach, Los Angeles, Los Baños, Madera, Merced, Milpitas, Merida, Oakhurst, Paso Robles, Pico Rivera, Porterville, Reedley, Rialto, San Bernardino, San Diego, San Isidro, Santee, Seal Beach, Tulare, Whittier, and Waldemar. Now, of course, this list is always changing. You can visit our website at lirlinks.com/Denny's to see the latest list of locations where you can use your EBT card to get your Denny's meals. Go ahead and go check that out.